Hi, Namaste. My name is Kartika and this is my channel Synchro Shakti. Today I want to share with you yet another manifestation technique, and this one is very common and very famous, and I bet you've heard of it already. This is the technique of the vision board. So a vision board is a board or a collage of images that represent the people, the places and the experiences that you want to manifest into your life. The images that go into this vision board are images that you have either cut out physically by yourself from magazines and newspapers, or downloaded off the internet and printed it and then put on your vision board. While you're putting up these images or you're cutting out these images for your vision board, there are a couple of things that you must remember. Now, these are the things that I follow when I'm creating my vision board. I don't know what is the general standard practice, but this is what I believe works the most based on my training in NLP. So couple of things that you must remember when you're cutting out images for your vision board is that the experience of the person or the place that you want to manifest in your reality that's within this image should not be in some far corner of the image. It should be right in the middle, as close as possible to your perception. So it should not be really far away, it should be close, and it should be real for your brain to perceive it as, yes, this is possible, and yes, I can perceive myself as being a part of this experience. So for example, if you want to manifest a particular person, so you say you want to meet this famous musician, or you want to meet this famous speaker, you want to manifest someone into your life, or you have an idea of what that person may look like for you, or you already know who that person is, make sure that it's an image of the person looking at the camera, which means in your brain's perception he's looking at you. So that makes it easier for your brain to perceive it as real, for your brain to perceive it as possible, and for you to put yourself in that experience and perceive it as happening right now. Now, the reason why this works is because the images act as visual cues that are instructions to your unconscious mind as a program for it to manifest into your reality. What I mean by that is that the conscious mind is the thinker and the unconscious mind is the doer. When you program your unconscious mind, or you feed it a particular program, or you give it a certain set of instructions, it works on it unconsciously and it manifests into your life even if you're not consciously thinking about it. And that is one of the main reasons why the vision board is so powerful. Now, when you do create your vision board, it is very important for you to keep it in a place where you can see it on a daily basis. So the instructions are constantly being given to your unconscious mind. What I mean by putting it in a place where you can see it constantly is you can either create the board, a physical board, and put it on your wall in your study or in your bedroom, or if you want to make if you don't have a board and you want to make a collage as a wallpaper for your laptop or your computer, you can put that there if you're someone who logs onto your computer often. But make sure you're putting it in a space where you don't just abandon it once it's done. It's in a place that you constantly are looking at. So my vision board is on the wall right in front of my bed, and that wall has my affirmations as well as my visions. So I will now proceed to show you my vision board and how I've created it. Alright, so here's my board that I just brought down. Now, it's not fully complete, but I'll show you what I have on here already. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the experience of jumping off an airplane, okay, parachuting, and you can see that these two people are right in front of me, which makes it real for me to believe that I am there as well. Same thing with this bungee jumping. This person seems right in front of me, bungee jumping. So this side of the vision is to do with adventure. Now, coming down, these are the musicians that I will be playing with. And as you can see, if you guys are part of the higher conscious community, you will recognize all of these people. So you have Dustin Thomas, you have Jai Uttal, you have Leah Song, you have Nako Bair, Tina Malia Shimshai, and Elijah Ray. As you can see, these people are looking straight at the camera. Alright, some of them. Now, the reason why some of them are looking straight at the camera, and that works well, but the ones who are not looking straight at the camera, they're still very close to the camera, which makes it easier for the brain to perceive that you are there in the experience. Going to this side, you have the people that I want to meet, right? So you have Lily Singh, Superwoman, you have Napalm, you have Teal Swan, and you have Jian Gomeshi. So these are the people that I would like to meet. As you can see, these guys are all looking at the camera very close, very easy to perceive that they're looking right at you. Okay. Moving on, here these are people I would like to meet again. Some from my Facebook, people who have really helped my path, and some who are celebrities in the world of internet spirituality, to put it in boldly. So you have Brendan, Skull Babylon, definitely a big part of my journey. And then you have Terence, who has funded and helped my path as Synchro Shakti more than anyone else has. He's absolutely a blessing for this channel and for all the work that I do. Then you have Cap One. His name is Aaron. Aaron is again a Facebook friend of mine who I definitely would love to meet at some point. And then I have, Taylor from Spirit Science, Jordan from Spirit Science. This is Greg, again a Facebook friend who has also helped my path very deeply, and I would like to extend my gratitude and meet them personally someday. This is the only material part of my board as of now. This is some body art that I would like to get. Coming on to this side, this is the speaking and performing platforms that I would like to manifest. So it says TED here, but TED is not really the platform I want to speak at. TED is just symbolic of the fact that I want to speak at huge platforms, because one of my dreams is to become the top of the top, the best of the best inspirational, motivational speakers out there. Here it says Lucidity Festival. These are stage for Lucidity Festival. This is where I want to play my music, Synchro Shakti, Kirtan and high conscious music. Burning Man, also where I want my music. So as you can see here, you have the mic, which is very close to the camera, so it gives you the illusion that you are actually talking onto the mic. So yeah, this is you talking on the mic right now. The mic is facing you and you're giving a talk to. Yes, this is my vision board, and as you can see, the images are close, people are looking straight at me, and it's very believable from the angles that these pictures have been taken. And that's it. So that's it from me this week, and I look forward to connecting with you again next week. There are a couple of videos that I intend to put up on this channel of my travels in and around India, and I invite you to go ahead and check them out. It's called the Chilling India series. There's a link here for my previous Chilling India series, and I look forward to connecting with you again next week. Stay subscribed. If my channel benefits you in any way, please share it around, and I love you guys. Have a good weekend, and namaste.